Hey guys, I just wanted to put together a quick tutorial to show you guys how to work our free maximum allowable offer calculator. You can to get to this calculator, just go to our website, firstclassflipping.com. That's firstclassflipping.com. You come down here to the free resources tab, click on investor calculators, and you see we have a few over here, and we will be doing tutorials on all of these, but today we're going to do the max offer calculator. Just click on that. It'll bring you to this page right here where it says the maximum allowable offer calculator. The first thing you want to do is put in what is your ARV, or your after repaired value. Let's say you found a property, the ARV is 300,000. Put your 300,000 in. Then it's going to ask you what is the maximum percentage of ARV you're willing to offer on this property. Now this is going to really depend on what is the exit strategy. If you're flipping, you probably want to stay between 60 to 75% for a flip. But if it's going to be a buy and hold for either yourself or your end buyer, you can probably go as high as 80 to 85%. Okay, let's take the scenario of a flip. Let's just say 75%, because the market is shifting a little bit and it's getting a lot more difficult to find deals within this 70% range. But let's just say 75%. Okay, now what is the rehab budget? What do you think is going to cost to fix this property up? For the sake of the video, let's say $45,000. Okay, we'll say $45,000. And then it's going to ask you, is there a wholesale fee? Are you wholesaling this, or is this something you're going to keep for yourself? If you're going to keep for yourself, say no. But let's just say you want to wholesale it, right? Okay, you're wholesaling it and it's going to be a flip. So you go down here, wholesale, yes. And like, what is your wholesale fee? How much do you want to make for wholesaling this property? Again, it's going to depend on your market. If you're in a smaller market, let's say $5,000, $10,000. It depends, it depends on your market. So let's just say you want $5,000 to wholesale this deal. Okay, now you just hit calculate, and it's going to populate all your numbers right here. Okay, your ARV, or your after repaired value, was 300,000. 75% of your ARV was 225,000. You had an estimated repair cost of 45,000, and you subtract your $5,000 wholesale fee. It's saying your maximum offer should be around 175,000. Again, you have some wiggle room to play around with the numbers. It's not written in stone, and again, it's market specific, whatever works in your market. Okay, now let's go back and say you want to keep this as a buy and hold, or your end buyer is a buy and hold. They may be willing to go as high as 80, 85%, because there's really no inventory out there. And if they have cash, they'll go 85%, right? Okay. Or let's even take out the wholesale fee. Say you're the end buyer, you have cash, you found an off-market deal on your own, so there is no wholesaler, and now you hit calculate. Now look, you still have your ARV of 300. But the 85% of that is 255. Your estimated repair cost is still 45,000, but now you can offer a little more, like in the 215,000 range. All right. So I hope you guys were able to see how easy it is to use this calculator. Again, it's free. You don't have to download anything onto your computer. Just bookmark the page and come back and use it whenever you like. All right, I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Peace.